Hey everybody, my name is Mike. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm a little backed up. You have to be careful with this. Something really stinks. Oh. And here's the problem. You can see I have a driveway full of cars, and what did I do the other day? Yep, I added another convertible. So what this is a 2007 Mercedes CLK 350. This is the new engine that they went to. As you can see, 112,520 miles, missing a window right there. But you know, being the smart gentleman that I am, I'm having so much fun trying to get this beast back on the road, and she's not ready yet. I went and purchased another one. So let's do a quick little walk around. I'll kind of show you what it is looking like on the inside and the outside. The window, like I said, has been down. I don't even think it's in there. So I've had to order a new window, but this thing is down, and look at how dirty and dusty. I got a little dolphin, yeah, down in the floorboard there. I guess there was a smell issue. I don't know. But look how dusty and dirty this thing, and the seats though are in pretty good condition. I do get a license plate. Oh, and look right there. That's interesting. That is a pulley for something. Oh, great. Okay, so one of the things I like to do when I'm looking in cars is just to kind of snoop around and see what kind of things you get. So we did have a smoker in here. That's okay, because I showed you how you can use that ozone machine to clean out your car. We got to get this fixed. I like the wheels on this though. That one is a nice one. This one, not so much. All right, so we have to get another wheel, unless maybe it's in here. I don't know. Let's see what's in the... Oh, okay. This, I bet. Let go. This, I bet, somehow, I don't know. Where does this go? Like that? No, I don't know. Okay, so let's see what else we have. We have a belt. Okay, that's two bad signs about the engine, and I haven't even looked there yet. That's not good. Okay. Ooh, some fancy shoes. I have, what is this? This looks kind of cool. Oh, it's the windscreen for the Ooh, I like this. Okay, yeah, this is the windscreen. This is when you put the top down. You put this behind the front seats, and it keeps the wind out of your hair. I got all kinds of clothes, more shoes, and I have, look at that. Okay, so it looks like a lady had the car, and she had a child, maybe two. Yeah, kids' shoes. Okay, so no real damage on the outside of the car, and I love this color. This is a different color. The top, it looks okay. This is on the red one. This is all coming out on the red one, but the top looks nice and good. This is loosening up a little bit right there. That's easy to fix. Let's open this. Oh, look, see, hi. And we'll show you what I'm worried about. Okay, yeah, that's like a pulley for the power steering, maybe? I don't know. Great. Okay, and just lots and lots of cleaning, but the seats aren't damaged, so that's good. We have another tire that matches, or a wheel that matches, and another wheel that matches. Okay, let's see if we can... I've already popped this, but let's... Oh gosh, this is heavy. Okay, just like the red car, the struts gave out. This is that new 3.5 liter engine that had issues, and we'll talk about that later. Okay, there. Oh crap. Dagnabbit. Okay, see that right there where the belt, another belt, is laying? Yeah, you see the hole right there? That's the power steering pump. See? There's your reservoir. So something happened to the power steering. Yay me. Okay, what else looks good here? Well, there's coolant there. The battery's dead. Of course, they're always dead when you get them. The engine just looks really, really dirty. I don't see any huge leaks or anything, so that's okay. Headlights, pretty clean. God, that's heavy. Gee, many Christmas. And I don't see any damage on the bumpers. So, hopefully, oh crap. Okay, here's another issue. Woo, nice big crack in the windshield. This was non-running, but I will tell you that when I went out into the LKQ yard, it did start. We were able to get it started, but I didn't look at the engine. Ha! Now I know. Okay, so we do have some things to fix. We have some clothes to wear. Should I ever want to dress up like a girl? You know what? I bought another car, and there was actually a Mario Brothers costume in the back of it. I put it on and took a picture, so I'll show you that as well. And I do want to show you what I found inside this car. This wasn't an auction car. This was a car I bought from a guy who said that he was working on it and just kind of gave up on it. So let me show you what I actually found. And okay, the fun thing is right here. Let me show you right here. Okay, I did find look at this, 99 watermelons, 99 proof liqueur. So the guy liked to drink, and apparently he liked to party too, because look what's back here. We have, you know what that is? Yep, that is one, what's the word? Prophylactic rubber condom. And this I'm afraid to touch, but look at this. Underwear. Some dude, he left his Perry Ellis underwear and a matching condom. This guy was an animal. Look at that. Liquor, a condom, and some fancy underwear for his lady friends. You never know what you're going to find in these cars. So that's it for right now. What did we find? We found the good. This is a very nice windscreen. The bad, I'm going to have to get a power steering pump right there. And then the ugly. Yeah, look at the shoes. You never know what you're going to find inside an auction car. So, thanks for watching. We're going to add this to my list of to-do things. We're still trying to get the red CLK 320 back out there on the road. I have that BMW. I got to work on the wheel bearing. This one is new. I'm still trying to get that one started, and some other issues on basically every car that I own. So, thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe, and I'll try to get these out as soon as I can. More videos coming up.